St. Pete Times Forum in Tampa, Florida. Tampa Bay Lightning, New Jersey Devils. Vincent LeCavalier, Travis Zajac, Mark Denis, Martin Brodeur. And now, folks, we wait for the public address announcer as we get set to hear our national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and kindly remove your hats as we honor America with the singing of our national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. No, and now we get set for this opening night matchup between the Bolts and the Devils in just a moment.